I've been here for roughly a year, and it's nothing like a job I have ever worked before. It's exciting, the technology and professionals involved in this project, it's amazing. When you go from office to office, look on the screens and see the things that are being worked on, it pushes you, it motivates. And also the people working here, great professionals and even greater human beings. It's fun to work in this environment, and yeah, it can get stressful, but it's fun.
Para mí ha sido un sueño. O sea, el personal humano que hay, los talentos que hay, siento que es el sitio soñado. Encuentras personas que te apoyan, que te ayudan, personas con demasiado conocimiento.
Working here has made me feel like a more fulfilled professional, and it's given me the opportunity to watch technological advances happen every single day.